From the back, guys, the exhaust pipes are going to go onto your face. Just go back from there. That's the wrong place to be.
Going to prison. All in mine. You're mine.
I like to call myself as the motographer because my two passions, motorcycles and photography. So when they come together, it's motographer. We are doing this road trip which is called Road Trip United. It's going to be a 9,000 kilometers trip which was actually flagged off yesterday. We are going on these 3 bikes. There is one more bike which is standing over there.
Lock and key to hide away all the things you can't explain.
To thank each and every biker who has touched my life, because after paralysis I had not turned a biker again.
Over yet.
Thank you so much.
It's an name at your request.
So this is the symbolism that we want to make people understand.
Foul play, no accidents, no.
For me, biking is
tonic for me.
Me is like my life.
I would really like to congratulate xBhp.
giving our wishes to xBhp.
Best of luck to xBhp.
You're the reason I'm going to prison. You're the reason I'm going back. You're mine.